Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, and you can see the gold and silver bullion has skyrocketed in price as the monetary tightening is slowly but surely coming to an end silently right now, and the Fed doesn't want to admit what they're actually doing, which is quantitative easing by bailing out the banks. You can't bail out and print money to save banks and depositors money and still say you're trying to tighten with fiscal policy. You're doing you're saying one thing but doing something completely different, and that's starting to let gold start to rise. And we've been talking about this for quite some time. If we look at the macro time frame, we had a big pump in 2006, 7, and 8 with a big blow off top in 2010 and 11, and then this decade and a half long cup and handle, right? And if you draw this out, this is the cup and the handle, right? See that? If you go across the cup and handle, you got the cup and you got the handle. See that? And this is your neckline right there. And this is your handle that you were in this long consolidation after your blow off top pump. After your blow off top and 2021 culmination of the Fed monetary loose policy, and then you came down in this consolidation, which is the handle. You attempted the first breakout, the second breakout, and now you're coming down here on a third breakout. And if you break out of this, your technical target is all the way up here at a new all-time high of a short-term technical target of $2,161.95, and then an ultimate target way out into the future from the cup and handle is all the way up here at around $3,500. And right now what I'd be watching out for in the gold price is to take out the double top and then to try to hold that as new support above it. If you get rejected by here, I would expect a continuation to the downside of initially down to about 1875.48, right? But very bullish things are going on here in the gold market, and we're going to continue to watch out for that, as well as the silver bullion has had a huge run up after this big consolidation from swing high to swing low. The price of silver got beat down in a big fashion and came all the way down 41%, almost 50%. And now we're starting to run, and I'm still forecasting a silver price of $28 sometime in the very near future. And then we have upside targets, if this ever broke to the upside, of initially $62 of a new all-time high, and then eventually as high as $94 out into the future more. But that's what's going on here in the gold and silver bullion update. The mining shares have been going phenomenally well. Pan America Silver, Kinross, B2 Gold, AEM are amongst my holdings and amongst big holdings that I have, and they've been up big in the last 5 to 6 months. Peace and love.